This men's Rolex Daytona Cosmograph is a gently pre-owned luxury watch that commands attention. With stunning, dazzling diamonds putting a sparkle on the wrist, this timepiece makes the wearer instantly stand out as an upper-class gentleman. The 18-karat white gold case and lugs are coated with custom-set aftermarket diamonds. The case surrounds a dark gray mother-of-pearl chronograph dial, adding even more luster to the face of this brilliant timepiece. An automatic chronometer movement powers the white gold hour, minute, second, and subdial hands pointing to diamond hour markers. The 3 subdials include a 30-minute counter, a subsidiary seconds, and a 12-hour counter. This dashing timepiece is perfect for the dapper gentleman. .300 watches. Infinite possibilities.